In the high critical risk work environment of tyre handling, where every move counts and safety is non-negotiable, a new standard has emerged. Introducing the latest Konecranes heavy-duty tyre handler. These purpose-built 16 to 37-tonne forklifts with a tyre handling attachment have specifically been engineered to provide safe, precise and reliable solutions for lifting, rotating and shifting up to 16-tonne tyres. Available in diesel models as standard, they also come in the new generation EVA full electric model. Powered by lithium-ion technology, these electric models deliver smooth, clean and quiet operation, with faster acceleration and lift speeds. Whether assisting maintenance crews on mine sites or stacking tyres in the yard, the Konecranes Tyre Handler provides safe tyre handling solutions for mining, port and intermodal applications. For the operator, Konecranes' signature Optima Cabin redefines comfort through comfortable seating, expansive space and all-round visibility. The advanced heating and cooling system also ensures operators are comfortable year-round, no matter where they work. Ergonomically placed controls and a crystal-clear 7-inch touch display provides operators with instant access to vital information, tyre pressure, tipping angles and more, all designed to boost productivity while reinforcing an unwavering commitment to safety. Over the years, the Konecranes Tyre Handler has evolved through direct collaboration with our valued mining customers and manufacturers. It has led to innovative technology being equipped into the machine to further enhance safety within tyre handling operations. The most innovative of these safety features that was adapted and installed is the wireless clamp pressure monitor. This pressure monitor allows operators to now gauge how much pressure is being applied when gripping a tyre, which was previously left to the operator's gut feel. If the clamp pressure starts to fail, an audible alert quickly warns ground personnel of the danger, ensuring no one is in the line of fire. Furthermore, a new light sequence safety system mounted on the attachment has also been designed to keep ground personnel out of the line of fire during tyre maintenance. Using a simple red and green light system, the operator can now quickly signal to ground personnel when it is safe to approach the tyre fitting area. During the tyre flipping procedure, an override system has also been integrated to avoid impact and damage to the attachment's fallback arms. When performing this procedure, the operator can activate the override system to prevent the fallback arms from automatically deploying for a limited time, thus allowing for the tyre to be flipped without any chance of impact. As tyre handlers operate in the busy maintenance environment, to ensure the operator is aware of potential pedestrians entering the danger zone behind the machine, another innovative safety system featured on the tyre handler is the Blaxtair Pedestrian Detection System. Blaxtair utilizes intelligent 3D stereo cameras and artificial intelligence that can capture and distinguish people from the surrounding area. Once detected, the system alerts the operator who has enough reaction time to avoid a potential collision. To enhance visibility for the operator during tyre handling, magnetic wireless cameras can be quickly attached and repositioned on the attachment. This optimizes the operator's field of view and allows for more precise handling, which would otherwise place a dedicated spotter in the line of fire and in harm's way. The camera's rechargeable batteries can also be quickly swapped out when needed. Perimeter lighting is an additional safety feature that can be fitted to create a visible exclusion zone for personnel, further minimizing the risk of collisions with pedestrians. Understanding the variable conditions of mine sites, the Konecranes Tyre Handler offers an array of optional features designed to enhance safety and overall performance. These features include heavy-duty stairs and handrails, fire and burst protection for hoses, electronic weight scales, auto engine shutdown, auto park brake function, isolator switches, central greasing and bulk filling on the diesel models. Another smart optional feature available is Konecranes TRUCONNECT Fleet Management. Managers can monitor the tyre handler's performance in real time, allowing for better decision-making and enhanced operational efficiency. In the demanding world of tyre handling, the Konecranes Tyre Handler sets a new standard for operational safety, reliability and performance.
Lift your